Here's interesting app called Geojam, Unfiltered Thoughts, AI prompts with friends. So basically, there is some AI prompt, there is some AI question, and then you need to answer it, and then you will see answers from other people. So that's basically the idea. It's a fun social media platform that actually helps you get to know your friends better. Our AI prompts you and your friends to share unfiltered thoughts daily through photos, videos, GIFs, memes, and all your favorite creative tools. Inspired by nights with friends playing popular card games like We Are Not Really Strangers and Cards Against Humanity, Geojam brings the same excitement to your everyday life. It's all about expressing yourself without any pressure, having fun, and getting to know your friends on a deeper or perhaps more shocking level. Similar to Wordle, our AI-generated prompts are different every day. You never know what you are going to receive. You'll receive a notification at a random time every day to reply to the daily prompt with text, photo, or video. And that's what it is. Geojam is better with friends. Our artificial intelligence gives you and your friends a chance to be real and find common interests such as art, beauty, cars, crypto, dancing, do-it-yourself. Stop guessing, start sharing. Don't miss out on the tricks and the chance to climb up the leaderboard. Moreover, Geojam rewards you for your engagement and replies, so you can earn while having fun. So that's basically the idea. So just open up the app, and then here, you'll just have the app, and then there is like a daily jam, or how it's called, share a moment when you felt more like a boss. So this is like AI prompt generated by AI, not real person. And then you can just have your reply. So that's your reply. I was just testing it out, how it works. So then, you can, for example, delete it. And then here, for example, reply. Term, and then you just need to write something tweaky or something which can catch some engagement, or you can also add some music, photos. So you just reply to that, and then you just have it like this. And then then in Discover feed you will just see replies from other people. So they're just trying to kind of copy Be Real format. So there's kind of similar format to Be Real. Then there are friends. You can also see friends. Then you can also find friends. You can give access to your contacts and invite friends. Then there are different categories of these daily prompts. There is daily, there is fitness, music, night gaming. Like it just depends on your interests, and when you create your account, it just filters out your interests. Then you can just find your friends, follow some people here. Then there is your account, your friends. You can see global people, and then you just see notifications. Then you can see your profile, and that's basically the idea. You can also connect your university if you want, and if you're not happy, you can disable or delete your account. And another thing is that there is a Jam crypto. So you can buy Jam crypto, and then top it up with the wallet. And then if you invite friends, I don't know, when maybe you will receive gifts and some crypto. So I don't know about this Jam crypto coin, but that's what it is. So give it a try.